Hello everyone, and I've already introduced you to my cousin Neil. He's a very nice guy. Hope you enjoy the videos about him. And here we are in Idle Shell 3.13.3. You might not see it there, but it says it right here. No, I do not want full screen. Wait. No. Yeah, and to get started, we have to get into the editor window, which we just new file, and now we have it. And we just type in print, or if you're doing it with me, and then we're gonna need like I am awesome. That should work. And now we have to run it. Wait. Oh yeah, you have to use run module, the specific thing to run modules. And now we have to save it first, since you were on a new file, and since we haven't saved it, and I'll save it as start and startr.py. You're gonna need that file extension, that specific file extension, so it knows it's a Python file. But it already knows it's a Python file, but still, you'll need it. Then you'll just save it in. Now it says it. I am awesome. Now let's make our first variable. A variable is like a data. Like if I'm saving it as 3. Okay? Now I have to do print var. Okay? And just to make it better, and we'll just add something there. We'll add, this is my variable, so we know it's our variable, and we put something there so it knows it's close, and the run module, and 3 is my variable. And now you've got your first program. Now let's put inputting variables. You're gonna need that. It lights up so you know it's an input. And wait, no. Okay, let's save it as a variable, so it's actually a variable and not input. So k equals input, and I put a random number there to be a variable, letter, and it just says, what is your name? And now we're gonna put print k. And now let's run it. So I'm saving it, and you got it. What is your name? I wonder what's my name. Oh yeah, now I remember, it's this. My name is Parth. And now, yeah, we're gonna need to print. Yeah, first we've done a mistake, guys. So we should have done this. We should have put a hello as here. Hello. We put that there. And now we put the K. Still, let's run it again so it works. So, what is your name? No error, so it works. My name is Parth. And now, hello, Parth. It says hello. And wait, I have to remove the space. Okay, now it's gonna work. Now, okay, fine. Okay, I'm just typing something random. Hello, H. So now we got it. And bye, everyone.